Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Harley Davidson Tobacco. Harley Davidson has once again set the standard in the cruiser motorcycle segment with its 2025 Tobacco model, earning the prestigious title of Best Cruiser Motorcycle of 2025. This accolade highlights Harley Davidson's commitment to blending timeless design with modern performance, delivering a motorcycle that appeals to both traditionalists and new generation riders. The 2025 Harley Davidson Tobacco features a potent 114 Ci, 1868 cubic centimeters, Milwaukee 8V twin engine, offering an exhilarating riding experience with its remarkable power and smooth torque delivery. This engine ensures the Tobacco model provides the iconic Harley Davidson rumble and robust performance that riders have come to expect from the brand. In terms of design, the Tobacco model stands out with its unique, rich, dark brown finish reminiscent of fine-cured tobacco leaves. This distinctive color scheme is complemented by blacked-out components and polished chrome accents, striking a perfect balance between classic cruiser aesthetics and modern flair. The motorcycle's low-slung stance, wide handlebars, and comfortable solo seat enhance its aggressive yet refined look. Technological advancements in the 2025 Tobacco model are seamlessly integrated to enhance the riding experience without compromising its classic cruiser appeal. The bike features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen, offering navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and audio controls. Additionally, rider assist features such as cornering ABS, traction control, and customizable ride modes ensure a safe and adaptable ride in various conditions. Comfort and ergonomics have been meticulously designed in the Tobacco model. The motorcycle's low seat height, forward foot controls, and wide, sweeping handlebars provide a relaxed and commanding riding position. The advanced suspension system, featuring adjustable rear shocks, ensures a smooth ride even on long journeys, making it an ideal choice for both city cruising and open-road adventures. Harley Davidson has always been about creating motorcycles that offer a unique blend of tradition and innovation, said a spokesperson for Harley Davidson. The 2025 Tobacco model is a testament to our ongoing commitment to delivering exceptional performance, style, and comfort to our riders. Industry experts and motorcycle enthusiasts have praised the Tobacco model for its seamless integration of classic Harley Davidson design with modern technology and performance. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and distinctive styling have set a new benchmark in the cruiser motorcycle segment, securing its position as the best cruiser motorcycle of 2025. As the 2025 Harley Davidson Tobacco hits the roads, it is poised to capture the hearts of riders who appreciate the blend of heritage and innovation. This model not only celebrates Harley Davidson's storied legacy but also paves the way for the future of cruiser motorcycles.